Hi everyone, this is Victoria Fashion and welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. It really does help my channel out. Something I haven't done in a while, it's going to be a makeup review. One moment I was just on my bed, just scrolling away on TikTok, a video that caught my eye, and it was something along the lines of Goth makeup. And it is a indie brand, and it's called Sunset Makeup. So I just purchased Sunset Makeup this week. I got the foundation. It's a foundation 41. This is the packaging. It's very simple. It's an indie brand, so I also thought, okay, why not? I'm gonna go ahead and support a small business, which that's one of my values. I love supporting small businesses out there. And I also got the setting powder. It is setting powder 60. The setting powder has 20 grams and it's 0.71 ounces. The foundation itself has 1.5 floor ounces. So that's pretty average of a foundation that you normally purchase. It's cruelty free. However, I'm not sure if it's vegan, so just keep a note on that. It's a white foundation. I have been wanting to find a proper white foundation on my skin. I am currently using NYX, a blaster foundation. I really was a little hesitant on purchasing this one because I haven't worn all white makeup in a long time, and I also like more of that vampiric pale skin look. I'm not really into the all white foundation as much anymore, so I do add a little bit of color, which my MAC foundation actually does that for me. So as you can see, I took an inspiration of today's look of Wednesday. I am currently in love with the character Wednesday in this interpretation of the Addams Family. She's Hispanic or Latina, and that really just like, I almost started crying tears of joy when I heard La Llorona, and oh my god, I was just like, yes, like Latina presentation, and she's Wednesday. So that like really like hit the nail in the coffin. Enough of my ranting. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and review this foundation, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. Let's start the transformation. Alright guys, this is the final look. Again, like I said, I took inspiration of Morticia, because even she is one of my favorite characters in the Addams Family, and I just always loved her. Carries herself and the way she looks. Oh, I love it. She's divine. As for the foundation, I was a bit worried that it wasn't gonna stick on my skin. Lately I've been having trouble with foundation just sticking on my skin. I bought setting spray that has helped a little bit, but normally white foundations, they just come, like, it looks very patchy. But as you can see, as I added my MAC foundation, it actually stuck to my skin, and it looks pretty. It doesn't look cakey, and I actually really like that. I was actually really surprised that it just stuck to my skin, and my skin is not looking patchy, and it actually blends with my skin tone as well. So you see, doesn't look too bad. I also want to say that it doesn't. The Sunset makeup foundation, my skin does not feel heavy. Normally, full coverage foundation makes my face feel very heavy, and this time it feels very light, and I actually really like that, because sometimes I just cannot stand just feeling like I have a ton of crap on my face. It can get patchy. But just make sure to not add a lot of product. Also, put primer and moisturizer before adding the foundation onto your skin. I don't see a problem with it so far, but so I would definitely give it a 9.5 out of 9.5 out of 10. Again, I'm actually really glad I bought my purchase. I was actually concerned that it was going to be a waste of money, but I'm really satisfied with this product, and I really like how my skin just looks. It looks flawless. It looks like it blends so well. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like more of a makeup review or reviewing products, just let me know on the comment section. I still enjoy makeup, and I love putting makeup on my face. It's just magic, and it's art itself. So I wanted to try out the foundation just by itself. I was going to mix it in with my NYX foundation, but I didn't do that this time because I just wanted to try it on. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe on my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!